This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is our front porch. And I used to come out here and clean it every week on Thursday. Sweep, get all everything cleaned up, because Darren and I enjoy sitting in our porch swings. And we sit here and swing and watch all the crops grow. We've got corn over here. We've got beans across the road and down the hill. What you see there is not the road. That's the Katy Trail. We ride our bikes on that often, and we hike on it too. There's beans in that crop, beans in the next crop, and beans right next door. We love it here. We sit out here in the cool of the evening, but oftentimes we're talking and enjoying ourselves, and we just don't feel like we're alone. And so I don't really come out and clean. It's just too spooky. And look who we found out here. A ghost. Today I'm participating in a ghost doll collab hosted by Emma at Mortis Caddis, and all of the links will be below in my description, and you should visit every channel. Oh, I can't wait to see what everyone's dolls look like. This list was kept by Elise Explosion, and I want to give her a special shout out. Thank you so much, Elise, for doing this. And that her channel is Elise Explosion. And here's who's in the collab. Amber at Ambi Little Plastic Friends, Carrie from Inkpad's Playpad, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Ayla from Ayla Avar, Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby, Jay from J Dolls UK, Karen from Starts and Stitches, KC from Kristen Curtis, Mel from Livin' It Gigi Ma Style, Millie from Mirasuru, Sarah from Octopudding, happy birthday Sarah, and Tina from Tina's Reborns and more. This is a 100-year-old barn. Actually, 97, Darren, or 98?
I'm not sure, baby.
We met the gentleman who was in his 90s who wanted to come by and look over the barn. He, as a 7-year-old, his family had mules in here and cattle, and he used to come out and harness them. But here's our ghost out in our scary barn. I brought her in, well, because she needs to be in, and I wanted to show you her and some of the close-up things I did. I'm not brushing her hair. She's a ghost. She should have messy hair, but I do love the headband, and I want to show you her eyes. Let me come around. I did her lips in several layers. There are purples and blues, and I purposely left it outside the line because those veins in dead people's lips. I added gray and brown on her eyebrows, gave her some little earrings, and she is a ghost because someone, while she was laying in the coffin, stole her diamond cross necklace. So all she has is the chain, and that's why she is haunting. I want to show you her eyes. Well, first of all, here's her pull strings. I am proud of this doll. Her pull strings say The Ghost. That's her name. And the reason is we live in a 100-year-old house, and when things go pop or something falls or whatever, we look at each other and say, The Ghost. So I did her eyes. Oh, wait. These are the color of gray eyes she had, the kind of gray blue, if you can see them, she had upon her death. But through time, with the black eyelids, they started disintegrating. And the gray became a lighter gray. And then she also almost has no color left at all. I did something different that I've never seen anyone do before, and that is I chalked out the whites of her eye. I want you to see that. In the first one, it's kind of gray, pinkish, and then on this one, it's a little bit more gray than pink. On this one, it's kind of bloodshot red, or almost completely red. And then on this one, it's about gray pinkish. I did use Mr. Super Clear on that, and I did that before I added her eye chips, of course. She has no shoes. Did you know that they do not bury people barefoot because shoes don't fit? That's a myth. The truth is they started burying people without their shoes because way back when, shoes were very expensive, and shoes of a dead person went to a family or someone stole them off their feet. So it's just kind of a tradition that they don't bury people in shoes, and it's just one more thing for the mortuary to do is get those on the feet. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.